Hi, I'm August Bryce with TechWellness.com. We do videos that make the invisible energy that comes from all of our wireless devices visible. And we do that with meters like this one. And recently we made a video on wireless baby monitors. A lot of people were interested, wrote in and wanted to know about more items that could be in baby's room. So we've got 4 videos coming up right now. This is the first in the series, and we're gonna look at audio baby monitors like this one from Angel Care. So let's check it out. Here's what the manufacturers say about the sound-only Angel Care unit. It says it's got a nice display, which you can see. It shows that I'm talking, so apparently you'll hear the baby talking and see that even if you have the sound turned down low, which I don't know why you would, but see as I go higher, yeah, feedback, right. Okay, see, and it also gives you temperature, which is lovely. It's a nice 73 degrees in here. It also says that it's got 8 channels to select from, and that's so if you get interference on one channel, you can switch to another. And then it talks about the unit that goes in the baby's room with the little angel design here, and it says it's got a soothing halo. Except wait, I can tell you right now, this is not soothing. In fact, blue light can stop melatonin production in adults, and it can absolutely stop melatonin production in babies. So if you do get this unit, make sure the light is off, and let's go test it for EMF. Setting up the baby unit in our TV room. And I'm going to come out there and measure the EMF as sound is being transmitted. Extra credit if you can guess what we're watching. Okay, so the baby unit is about 60 feet away from us in another room where the TV's on. And if you are vintage, you probably know that we were recording and listening to Bewitched. So we're using an acoustimeter, and this is a really sensitive meter that was designed for people with EMF sensitivity. Green, you're in a good zone. Yellow, which we're getting little spikes of yellow, that's caution. And red is too much for someone with EMF sensitivity. And I recommend basically for anyone, we shouldn't be exposed to more than 6 volts per meter. So you can see we're doing well here, but I want to go check out the unit that would be in the baby's room. So let's go see that. Okay, so now we're in the media room watching Bachelor, so I want to hurry. But actually, we're pretending that it is the baby's room, and we have set up, and boy, I would love to have a baby in a baby's room. I need my kids to have babies soon. Anyway, so this is the baby unit, and just like we did measuring the parent unit, this is the baby unit, and this is RF radiation. This is non-ionizing radiation, the same type of radiation that would come from a Bluetooth device, and this is measuring on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency. And you can see there's definitely some activity, there's radiation there, and the Angel Care product guide says this. It says that it meets the FCC's exposure guidelines, but to maintain the compliance with the FCC's RF exposure guideline, install the nursery unit at least 20 centimeters from all people. And that's important too, because there's the inverse square law, which means that if you are closer than the 20 centimeters, which is about 8 inches, your exposure grows exponentially. This is RF radiation, or radio frequency radiation, and it has been proven by science to have a biological effect, which isn't meant to scare you. It's not like everyone who is exposed to radio frequency fields is going to get sick or have symptoms. But you know, 5% of the population is like me, electromagnetic sensitive. So I can feel this particular energy, and it doesn't feel good. In fact, we have a list of EMF consultants on our page. Our very favorite, of course, is our tech wellness expert, Larry Gust of Gust Environmental, but we have several who have graduated from the International Institute of Building Biology, that's the best, to become an EMRS, which is electromagnetic radiation specialist. So please check out the site. So in the meantime, when it comes to EMF, just remember, distance is your friend. Like with RF radiation, I think of it as invisible, odorless smoke. It's pluming from our wireless devices, and the further that we can get away from it, the less exposure we'll have. And if you do want less exposure in your life, at Tech Wellness, we show you how to turn wireless devices into wired devices that actually work great. And you can go to the site with keyword DIY, and every week on this channel, we introduce a new video, sometimes about tech wellness, sometimes about cybersecurity, sometimes about EMF. So please subscribe. And if you like this one, give us a thumbs up, because we love affirmation. Everybody does. Let's all affirm each other today. I'm August Bryce. For Tech Wellness, be well.